Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, yearning for financial freedom? Welcome to Rich Pro Max, where we make the impossible possible. We understand the struggle, the constant worry about bills, the feeling of being stuck in a financial rut. But what if we told you there's a way out? A way to escape the cycle and take control of your financial future. No scams, no prior experience or degree needed. Join us on this journey to never being broke again. Trust us, it's easier than you think. You've probably heard the myths. Online jobs are scams, require experience, a degree or initial investment, but we're here to debunk those myths. Let's start with the first one. All online jobs are scams. Quite the contrary. There are countless legitimate online opportunities out there. Take the success story of Jane, who started a blog about her passion for gardening and now earns a steady income from ad revenue and sponsorships. Next myth? You need experience or a degree. Again, not true. Many online side hustles require no more than a willingness to learn and a dash of creativity. Ever heard of Bob? He taught himself graphic design through free online resources and now sells his designs on various platforms. Lastly, the myth that you need to invest money to make money. While some ventures may require initial investment, many don't. Consider Alice, who started selling handcrafted jewelry on Etsy with materials she already had at home. So, now that we've cleared the air about online hustles, are you ready to explore the options? Let's dive into the sea of online opportunities. No scams, no degrees, and no experience required. It's a vast ocean out there, but today, we're going to reel in some of the most promising catches. Our first catch of the day is freelancing. Imagine turning your passion or hobby into a money-making venture. That's freelancing for you. Whether you're a wordsmith, a graphic designer, or a coding guru, there's a market for your skills. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are bustling with clients looking for your talents. And the best part? You decide your rates and your hours. Next up, we have dropshipping. Picture this, running an online store without ever touching the inventory. Sounds like magic? Well, it's not. It's dropshipping. You team up with a supplier, list their products on your online store, and they handle the rest. With a good eye for trends and a knack for marketing, you could be raking in profits from the comfort of your couch. Then there's affiliate marketing. This one's for the influencers and bloggers among you. Promote products or services on your platform and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. It's like being a virtual salesperson, but with the freedom to choose what you sell. Amazon Associates is a popular choice for beginners, but there are plenty of programs to choose from. Last but not least, we have content creation. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. These platforms are teeming with creators earning a substantial income. Whether you're into travel vlogging, fitness, cooking, or even just sharing your daily life, there's an audience waiting for you. So there you have it. 4 online side hustles that are not only easy to start but also have the potential to generate impressive earnings. Remember, the key to success lies in your passion, persistence, and patience. With these hustles, you're one step closer to never being broke again. But wait, there's more. Imagine turning your side hustle into your full-time job. Sounds exciting, right? It's not just a dream, but a potential reality. The key to this transformation lies in 3 significant factors: consistency, quality, and customer relations. Consistency is your best friend. It builds trust and shows your dedication. Whether it's daily updates or regular product launches, your consistency speaks volumes about your commitment. Next comes quality. It's your golden ticket to standing out in the digital crowd. No matter what your hustle is, always strive for excellence. Your customers deserve the best, and delivering top-notch quality will help you build a loyal customer base. Lastly, remember that every successful business thrives on strong customer relations. Be responsive, be open to feedback, and always put your customers first. Remember, they're not just buying a product or a service, they're buying an experience. With determination and hard work, you can turn these side hustles into your main income source. Remember, the sky is the limit. So there you have it, a guide to never being broke again. We've debunked common myths about online jobs, explored a range of promising side hustles, and even discussed how to turn these side hustles into full-time jobs. The key takeaway? Financial freedom is not a distant dream but a reality that's just a click away. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow us for more content like this. Until next time, stay financially savvy with Rich Pro Max.